Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for honest and expert beauty reviews. Today, we're diving into the Raquel Welch Big Spender Shoulder-Length Pageboy wig in the shade RL1621SS Sand. This is a synthetic wig featuring softly tumbled waves, designed with true-to-life heat-friendly fibers and made to fit an average cap size. It promises versatility with heat styling options and a natural look thanks to its monofilament top and lace front design. From the moment I opened the box, the craftsmanship stood out. The wig weighs just over 5 ounces, making it lightweight and comfortable to wear throughout the day. The Memory Cap 3 technology really shines here. It holds the shape nicely while allowing for some flexibility, which is essential when you want your wig to feel secure but not constricting. The monofilament top adds to that natural scalp illusion, giving the appearance of hair growing right from your scalp, which is a game changer for realistic styling. Using heat tools on this synthetic fiber was surprisingly straightforward. Thanks to the true-to-life technology, I was able to gently flat iron and curl the waves without any noticeable damage or melting. This is a huge plus for anyone who loves switching up their look without investing in multiple wigs. The soft tumbled waves have a luxurious, lived-in feel. Not too polished, but just enough structure to keep the style looking sophisticated and fresh. In my daily routine, this wig integrated well. The lace front was easy to blend with my skin, and the cap sizing meant minimal adjustment was needed to get a snug fit. Whether I was going out for a casual day or dressing up for an event, the wig maintained its shape and volume without needing constant touch-ups. However, I did notice that the wig can feel a bit warm during extended wear in hot weather, which is fairly typical for synthetic wigs, but something to keep in mind. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the heat-friendly, true-to-life fiber is a standout feature, making this wig versatile and user-friendly for styling. The realistic monofilament top and sheer lace front deliver excellent naturalness, which is often a key concern when shopping for wigs. The Memory Cap 3 adds a level of comfort and security not always found in synthetic wigs. The weight is light, making it easy to wear for long periods without discomfort. On the flip side, the price point is on the higher end compared to some synthetic wigs, so it might not be the best fit for a tight budget. The cap size, while average, might not work perfectly for those with smaller or larger heads, limiting sizing options. And like many synthetic wigs, heat styling still requires caution. You need to stay within temperature guidelines to avoid damage, even if it is heat-friendly. Speaking of price, considering the quality and features packed into this wig, I would say it offers solid value if you're looking for longevity, styling flexibility, and a high-end look. It's not a cheap option, but you're paying for that blend of realistic appearance and convenience that can easily justify the investment for wig wearers who want a dependable, stylish option. Comparing it to other heat-friendly synthetic wigs on the market, Raquel Welch's Big Spender stands out with its memory cap technology and natural movement. Some competitors might offer similar fibers, but lack the secure fit and lightweight feel this wig provides. If you want something truly natural looking and versatile, this wig holds its own, though there are simpler, less expensive synthetic options if you don't need heat styling capabilities. The build quality here is impressive. The lace front is durable without being overly stiff, and the cap materials feel premium. The synthetic fibers maintain their bounce and sheen well after multiple wears and styling sessions, which suggests good longevity if cared for properly. I haven't had any direct interactions with Hairuwear's customer service, but the brand has a solid reputation in the wig industry for responsiveness and quality assurance, which adds peace of mind when purchasing. If you're looking for alternatives, there are wigs with similar heat-friendly fibers at lower prices, but they often compromise on the cap construction or the natural scalp look. For those on a budget, exploring other brands without monofilament tops or memory caps could be an option, but you might sacrifice comfort and realism. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap it up, Raquel Welch Big Spender offers an elegant, easy-to-style option for those seeking a shoulder-length wig with a natural, lived-in wave look. It's ideal for wig wearers who value realistic features and heat styling flexibility and don't mind investing a bit more for quality and comfort. If you want to elevate your wig game with a trustworthy, sophisticated style, this one deserves your attention. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried this wig, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I love hearing your experiences. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.